Come on. Oh shit.
Fab, we gotta keep it gangsta on this one,
For
nigga.
sure, my nigga.
Che, yo, I know you standing right next to Clue, nigga.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Street family is here.
That Cali nigga spittin', ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party. When I'm spitting the pot, the paint fall off your Miss King when I'm spitting the Glock. Before I was 16, I was lifting the drop, spitting on cops, pitching a rock. Like Charlie Ward before the New York Knicks. Now you can catch me in Brooklyn with Fab on a New York bench while you old niggas in rehab. And if I can't be a hip-hop legend, I just die in a ski
When a gangster like me ride, it be suede and it be shades in it. Tires got the rims that's pre-made in it. One of the prettiest hoes be laid in it. Blowing the kid faster than prepaid minutes. And I'm guessing these haters don't know I keep the Western and Aiders fully loaded with the vest penetrators. But if they want it, y'all can get it. Y'all love the way the coast to coast G's did it, nigga.
Now that's what the fuck happened when the East Coast meets the West Coast.
Yeah.
When Compton meets Brooklyn. When Black Wall Street meets Street Family, motherfuckers.
Oh yeah.
Hey yo, Fab, let's switch Jacobs for a week, nigga.
I got you, my nigga.
Nah, let's switch coupes. See if the Compton sheriffs pull me over with them New York plates.